Hi, hello and welcome to King Cole. Today we are looking at pattern 5810 and on this beautiful set of garments there is an instruction of work 5 together that's a little bit different. There's various ways of working a work 5 together. So today I'm going to show you how the designer of this particular pattern intended it to happen. So what I've done is I've just worked a few rows, and because this pattern has the reverse stocking stitch as the right side, I'm going to show you it with this as the right side so that it makes more sense. Otherwise you might wonder why you're doing the purling together rather than knitting together. So just to get us started, I'm just going to purl a few stitches at the end, so that's enough. Right, so we're going to work 5 together. So with this yarn at the back of the work, so take it between your needles, then you need to slip 3 stitches purl-wise. So knit-wise you would be going in the front, purl-wise you're going in at the back, and that's quite relevant to what we're doing next. So 1, 2, 3. Then you take that middle stitch there and pass it over that first stitch. So you haven't knit it or purled it, you've just passed it over. Then slip that stitch back onto your left needle, pick up one from the other side and pass that over. Then take it back onto the right hand needle, pick the next stitch up, pass that over, take it back to your left needle and pass that one over. So you've actually cast 4 stitches off, so 5 stitches have become 1. And then that one does need to go back on to your right hand needle. Oh, actually no, you need to purl that centre stitch. So purl it. Okay, so that it's at the same, on the same row as everything else. So I'll work that one again. So we'll just pop some stitches in the middle. You will end up with a slight domed shape as well. You'll see there in the work, and that's intentional. So yarn to the back, slip 1, 2, 3 stitches purl-wise, pick the middle one up, slip it over, take that middle stitch to the other needle, pick up another stitch, bring it over, take it back to the original stitch side, to the right side, pass it over, back to the left needle, pass it over, and then bring your yarn back to the front, purl it, and then carry on doing whatever else you're told on that row. It's quite a busy row is that one, so keep working to the end in whatever way you need to do for that one, and you'll see there you've got 2 on that particular row there, and you've lost 4 stitches each time. So I hope you find that useful, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.